Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Fair, and in this video, I am going to give you an update on the Bitcoin price. In my last video, I said something about this trend line. As you can see, this downward trend line, I said that if we break this trend line, we could go higher to the $40,000 region, and that is exactly what we did. Now, if you look at this price movement from the breakout to the top, as you can see, this was a 12.64% move to the upside. I actually got in on this trade and I took my profit at around $40,000. So I entered at around 37,000 and I took my profit at around 40,000. That's actually 12.64% is actually a good amount of profit. Bitcoin went up, had a failed rally and came down to this level. Right now, I am going to show you how I am going to play this, what exactly I am going to be doing, because as Bitcoin came down to this region, there is a potential trade right now lurking in the price chart. I am going to show you exactly how to do this. Before I start, I would like to say that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This video is mainly for entertainment purpose. And if you truly like this kind of content, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. Now let's jump right in. Right now, we are on the 4-hour time frame. For we to see the pattern forming in the chart, we would have to go to a lower time frame like the 30 minutes time frame. Now this is the 30-minute time frame. As you can see, there is a pattern forming in the chart right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what that pattern is and exactly how you can trade that pattern. We would have to look for corresponding price points in the trend. As you can see, this is another trend line forming in the chart on the 30-minute time frame. This kind of pattern is called an inverted head and shoulders. Now this is mainly a bullish pattern. When this pattern is complete, it mostly breaks out to the upside. So that's how this pattern plays out. Now let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now this is the left shoulder, this is the head, you understand, that's the bigger part, and now this is the right shoulder forming right now. Now this is what we call an inverted head and shoulders in a price chart. And I'm going to show you exactly how I play this, how I plan to take profits in this kind of pattern forming in the chart. When you see this kind of pattern, you are going to look closely to this slanted trend line, because once the price breaks this trend line, then the price could further go up from this region. The way I would play it is that I would put in a buy order at this particular breakout. Once the price breaks this level, that would mean that the pattern is confirmed. So I would put in my entry at around this level, 36,355, and I am going to show you where exactly I will take my profits in this trade. For me to take my profits, I would have to draw a line from the trend line right here down to the head formation. This is an inverted head and shoulders, and this is the head, and take this line and place it at the point of the breakout. So if you choose to break out at this point right here, I would be taking my profit at around $29,000. So this is an easy trade for me, and when I do this, my stop loss would be down below. Like I said, this is going to be my entry point at this line, and this is going to be my take profit region at around $39,000. When this trade has been executed, my stop loss would be down below. I am going to show you exactly what I'm talking about right now. If you look at this is a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. Now what this means is that my stop loss would be at around this level, 35,400. Understand? So when my position is open at around 36,355, my stop loss would be at around this level. That means if the trend goes against me, I would be stopped out. So this is exactly what I am going to do right now. Once it breaks out at this level, I am going to put in my buy order and I am going to take my profit at around $39,000. Like I said, this is what I am doing. I'm not expecting you to do the same. I am just sharing my trades with you for educational purpose. I truly hope you enjoy this kind of content, and if you do, you can please leave a like and try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. Now this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.